Hi traders, today is 20th of August 2019. We are now live crude oil futures day trading scalping US session. So this is CLV 9 October 2019 contract. So inside this video I will show you how I do the scalping technique, especially during US session. So time now is 23 minutes past 9. We still didn't receive any signal yet. Market looks so bearish. We have short sell during London session. Can take a look with my live broadcast that I have informed for short sell position. So we have profit around 350 35 ticks. So for your session, we haven't made any trade yet. Since the beginning of US session, we haven't have anything. Let's take a look on the volume. So the volume also is not really interesting. Okay, we have a kind of a good pattern here. So there's a high tendency for the market to go further down. Let's take a look on the volume. So for the volume below the current price, there's a high volume waiting at 55.60. I'm expecting for the market to go for the bearish movement for the next maybe 1 hour. On the upper sides, there's a quite regular queue, not much on the extreme or nothing special. And now we are supposed to wait and wait and wait. So with my setup, there will be a lot of signal. It doesn't matter whatever time frame. So this setup is 100% technical. So you can follow my Telegram channel for live broadcast. So there's a link in the description below. Feel free to click on it for US session and London session. And this setup is for US session is scalping. So that's mean we are targeting for a profit around 250 to 400 US dollar every day. But of course, not every day we going to win. There's also a day with losses, but very rare. Okay, this looks like entry. Never. Okay, no, false alarm. All right, there's a possible entry for short sell position somewhere here. And as I mentioned just now, there's a high volume here. So let's wait. There's 2 more minutes before we confirm on the signal. Okay guys, we in the market. So it will be a quick one. So I'm targeting for around 55, 52. This will be the quick one. So I got nothing to say. So already profit around 310. If I'm not mistaken, 270, 310 US dollar in profit. So this will be a quick one. Only my signal in my Telegram just now, I give 55.69, 55.69, and the target TP is 55.50. So this is exactly at 9:30 at my local time, and New York time is 9:30 a.m. in the morning. Okay, looks good. We are 2 ticks away from the TP target. Now it's 350, 310. Looks like reverse bear, but it should be okay. So target is 55, 52. There is a high volume waiting at 55.50. This is a common price level. So let's have some patience. It's not far from our TP target. Sorry. Okay, this is the the chart. So okay, we hit TP area. It's a bit chaos tonight because this is the exactly breakout. So you can find here, this is where I exit the market. This is where I exit the market. This is the entry, same as my live broadcast. 55.69 is the exact entry, and 55.52 is the TP area. So it's a good profit of 390 because I did enter slightly higher because of the chaos just now. So 390 in profit. So let's take a look on the time. So we pause for a while. So this is a quick one, 390 US dollar in profit. And now the price not moving too aggressive because a lot of people already take profit. So let's take a look how long we are in the market. Okay guys, now I have seen we have entered the market at 9:30 and then exit at 9:33. So this was a good one. So you can see it's about 3 minutes, 390 US dollar. Kind of cool lah. It's this is what we do every day. So feel free to subscribe this channel, like, share, or comment anything you like in this video. This video is not long, very short one. I thought it will be a very long one. So there's a link in the description below if you're interested for this kind of technique. There's a live broadcast signal, as I mentioned and showed just now. This is what you will get. You will have London session and also US session. So feel free to click on the link and it will directed anything got problem, you can direct contact me through this channel or my email, which I attach in the description below. So guys, I think that's all for today. It's a good profit, very quick, 3 minutes, 390 US dollar in profit. And I will close my position. Sorry, I will close my chart. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.